the day before.
Bro, who the hell?
Is that
Man, that
Miles?
look like Miles.
That is.
Yeah, that's Miles.
That is
That's
Miles.
Joey. Ain't that Joey?
That's a,
This is Hurricane
that's
Katrina
Miles,
footage.
bro.
This is from that WLOX.
yeah, that was
movie.
Miles.
Miles Davis.
I remember that.
That looks like by Water
That's when
Street,
George
bro.
Bush. I remember when George Bush was down there with K-Love and Rap Dog. They took the picture together.
Damn.
George Bush, K-Love, and Ralph Dog took the picture together, nigga. I'm not lying, bro.
No, they
No, that's
didn't.
not George
Swear to
Bush.
God.
No, the fuck they didn't.
I swear to fucking God, bro. I'm gonna ask Ralph Dog about it when I get to work tomorrow, bro.
You work with Rap
said,
Dog?
remember
I ain't seen no rap down.
Oh man, y'all wild for that.
K-Love and Ralph Dog.
I met this lady.
George Bush in the middle, nigga.
Wow, I met this lady after the storm.
What is she?
She lived right by the beach.
man.
She lived on the beach. Matter of fact, I knew a dude that stayed
Now that's
there.
crazy, bro. That's gonna having to go through that, bro. Just holding on to the door like that, bro.
Yeah.
Man, that's
like a
crazy.
Fremont
Water
right there.
rushing.
I don't know who
I was
that-
there for the aftermath.
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy.
You know, they do have footage of that Bush thing, but it wasn't with K-Love's not in the footage though. I'll find
K-Love and
it.
Rap Dog. And I swear George Bush is sitting there.
Damn, I
standing
never
right
realized that was
between
Miles.
them.
Wow.
Yeah, that's Miles.
There's Miles. I told
Do you
you.
remember-
Shout out to Weird Gang Society.
Yeah, another day in paradise. Niggas say they wanna take it there, be shook like a paradise. Eat rappers all day long. Word up appetite. We got the whole pie, not a piece. Just hope I share it.